Ever wonder what a content strategy is and how it can skyrocket your success? Let's decode an effective content strategy for the mining and construction industry. Hi everyone, I'm Alex Mendivil, CEO of DVL Film House. A solid content strategy means using the right video at the right time to guide your customers through their buyer's journey. Let's break it down. Your buyer journey has three stages: awareness, consideration, and decision. In the awareness stage, your goal is to attract potential customers, showcase project overviews, site tours, and innovative techniques, educate and show opportunities your audience didn't even know they had. Next is the consideration stage. Engage and inform your audience with detailed case studies, expert interviews, and behind-the-scenes content. This builds trust and highlights your expertise. Finally, we have the decision stage. This is where you convince them you're the right choice. Corporate films, brand pitches, and testimonials are key. They build trust and seal the deal. By implementing the right video at each of these stages, you can skyrocket your company's success and boost your sales. At DVL Film House, we specialize in creating impactful videos for every stage of the buyer's journey. Ready to take your brand to the next level? Follow us for more tips or get in touch to see how we can help you with a full content strategy. And don't forget to like, comment, share, or save this video so we can keep bringing you valuable insights. Let's build something amazing together.